their side to a reasonably good position of 40 after 5 overs. The bowling change now from the north end. Charan being introduced into the attack. He bowls a bit of medium pace. Bowling to a packed offside field. 6 fielders on the offside with third man and sweeper cover. That means all the fielders on the leg side are in the 30-yard circle. So he needs to be very careful and he needs to be very sure of how he's going to control his lines.
डाउन द लेग साइड एक वाइट का इशारा यहाँ पर, तो अच्छी शुरुआत नहीं है यहाँ पर तेजा की। ये कमी देखने को मिली है हर एक साइड में, जो डिसिप्लिन होना चाहिए गेंदबाजी में वो देखने को नहीं मिला है। बहुत सारी वाइड डिलीवरीज डाली हैं हर एक बॉलर ने, हर एक टीम के बॉलर ने। बेहतरीन डिप बॉल ये तेजा की, अंतिम समय में बल्लेबाज को छोड़ते हुए निकल गई थी। As Mr. Vishnu is there, the think tank of CCL board. Hits it well, finds the gap, straight to the fielder. Sweeper cover, will only get a single.
Bowling to a plan, all the bowlers, and bowling to their field as well. Bowling to 6-3 fields on the offside. They aiming to bowl outside off stump, throwing up the challenge to the batter that if you're good enough, get a boundary on the offside. That's one more exhibition of what their game plan is. And at such times, as a batsman, you need to make certain readjustments of probably standing, changing your guard from leg stump to, say, you can just move across your stump so that if at all the batsman, if the bowler strays on the middle stump, you can use his pace on the leg side for runs.
Stuck to good lines here in this over, except for the first delivery that was down the leg side. It prevents the batsman from playing those shots. He's got the offside field very well covered. But they've got off to a very good start, a very sound start, so to speak, the Bulldozers. 44 for 1, we're into the 6th over. The power player will get some runs here, Bhaskar. So this is excellent planning by Venkatesh and the bowler to bowl in the right area so that it does not give enough space for the batsman to score runs.
Well, the intent was there to go through the leg side, but couldn't really manage to get enough power behind that shot. Just a single resulting from the last ball of the 6th over. It's 46 for 1.
The Karnataka Bulldozers 46 for 1.